Girls, I'm back with another math homework code video. So tonight we're subtracting larger numbers, and the standard subtraction algorithm is shown below. So we have 57,913 minus 20,468. So you have to regroup when there's too much on the bottom. So if there's too much on the floor, you go next door and add 10 more. So that's where the 13 came from. So it's 10 plus 3, and 13 minus 8 is 5. So you fill that in. Now we had 0 tens, so we borrowed 1 from the hundreds, and there's 8 left. And we added 10 to that. So now it's 10 minus 6, which is 4. And then 8 minus 4, there's more on top, so you just keep going. Put your comma in. 7 minus 0 is 7. And 5 minus 2 is 3. Now, one thing, the boxes here are not lined up so great. So that's the only thing I didn't like about this. So you want to make sure things are lined up. So if I were to show this again, because I think this is better to do it this way. Okay. So there's too much on the floor. So we go next door. We borrow a 10. There's 0 left. And we add 10 more. So we have 13, and that's 5. We can't do 0 minus 6. So we borrow 1 from the hundreds, and there's 8 left. So we add 10 more, and that's 4. And then the rest is easy because you're just subtracting the bigger numbers on top from the small numbers. So for number 2, the numbers are filled in. You're going to use the standard algorithm to subtract. So show you regroupings. Number 3, estimate the difference. So you're going to round to the nearest 10,000. So I'll show you how to do that. So 82,571, the nearest 10,000. This is a 2, so you round, it stays the same. So it's 80,000. And then the 59,000, the 9 rounds up, so this becomes 60,000. And then the difference is 20,000. So you fill that in. And then number 5, is your answer reasonable? Explain. So based on this, and based on what you get, you either say yes or no, and why. Well, if your estimate is close to your exact, then it's reasonable. And it should be when you do the work. All right, then number 5, you're going to estimate first. And then number 6, you subtract. So don't forget, you're going to round to the nearest 10,000. Then you subtract using the standard algorithm. If you don't like it like this, sometimes it's better to rewrite it, especially if you need more space, if you don't like the boxes. And then number 7, find this answer and explain how to check. Well, you can check by estimating. Estimate to the nearest 100,000. So that's it for now, boys and girls. I'll see you next time. We'll do more subtraction this week, and I'll talk to you later. Bye now.